Read it.
Clue. This fidget forgot
Let me read them, okay? This fidget is the first, but not the last. To find them all, this scavenger hunt you must pass.
Wait, so we getting fidgets?
It's a fidget scavenger hunt.
That means I get fidgets.
Clue number 1. This is the spot the tooth fairy would expect to find a tooth. Look here to find fidget number 2.
Look here. Pillow.
Where would the tooth fairy expect to find a tooth? Your tooth. But your tooth. Where would you put your tooth?
Under my pillow.
So go look under your pillow.
Look under your pillow.
So what's a fidget?
What'd you get?
This.
A little blue fidget. No clues?
No.
Okay.
Let me check this.
Okay. Hayden, did you find yours?
Yeah.
Did you find any clues? Oh, clue number 2. Now that you found this one, the next one is a breeze. Just look out front by the big old tree.
Big old tree. That's nice.
Is that tree in the front, Hunter?
In the front? They're big old in the front or the back?
Where do you
In
think?
the front with the big old tree.
Big old tree.
Oh no, the clue.
Don't worry. We combined it. Like,
You guys are savage. Now we're
Now we're-
outside. It's so hot. So go to the place that's cool and wet so you can cool off.
the pool.
Take your fidgets. Hunter, your fidget.
My fidget's inside.
This one.
I got some fidgets finally. I think you take them for Hayden.
What?
I think he did it because I know he did it in a package.
You see any clues? Oh.
Twist off.
Clue number 4. We've saved the best for last, but have no fear. Just look on your book tags and have a great school year.
Book bag. Our new book bags?
Yeah. I hung them up upstairs. They're by the door where they'll be at when you guys go to school.
I got it. It's a keychain.
Oh.
Yeah.
Congratulations. You have completed the fidget scavenger hunt. Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner. Yay.
Boom. Hunter! It's in here!
I got a lot of new fidgets.
Look. On your book bag, pop it. Oh.
I didn't know the eyes.
So what did you guys think of this fidget scavenger hunt?
Yeah.
Now you got fidgets. You could fidget trade if you like. 50 million.
Target 50 million.
We just need 50 views on this, guys.
And then we can do another
10 likes, 50 views. We'll do another fidget scavenger hunt with more fidgets and make the scavenger hunt even longer. But we wanted to keep this video short for you guys because we care.
Yeah, but it's still going to be you want this to be a series?
Oh, you want a fidget scavenger hunt series?
Yeah, if you want it, at least get 50 likes on this video.
And then at the end, a giant fidget trade?
Yeah, giant fidget trade.
Good idea.
Let's try a fidget trade if we get 50 likes.
Boom. Oh, fidget spinner with poppets.
Okay, bye guys.
Say bye.
Bye.
Tell them thanks, like, subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Subscribe to
And
Dylan's
thanks for
Vlog.
watching us as always. We love you guys. Thank
And
you.
buy our merch. It's just like a sweet plushie.
Boop, boop, boop. Open your eye.
Oh, Hazel got the fresh merch.
Let me have my precious little
Oh,
sibling.
she got the merch.
You have my
Cute.